G'day team, Uncle Jojo, warm cheeker to a ripper of an episode. A quick tip for you gals and guys out there. Sometimes when we're drilling into hollow bricks, we don't get enough bite, and especially if we're putting in walls and we're trying to get them plumb and hold them into place, we need to make sure that they won't move. So I've got a little trick for you. What I do is I drill, this spaghetti here is a 6mm spaghetti, so what I do is I drill an 8mm hole and then I join the spaghetti together. So it's not too hard to get together. We make it nice and pretty, and then we'll slip that into this hole. So what we're able to do is literally fill up that area. And what will happen then, inside the wall, the spaghetti will open up as we drill in and it'll lock itself in so it can't pull out. Another little trick with that is we also put glue along that stud as well, some construction adhesive. So the screw will hold it there while the glue goes off and then they work together in tangent. After that, obviously, we'll put our rafters up and we'll put a bird's mouth and things like that on so it'll tie it again. But to really hold that timber hard up against those hollow bricks, it's an awesome little trick. Anybody else out there that needs some little awesome handy hints, flick them over and I'll answer them for you best I can whenever I can. Thanks for watching. Like always, stay unreal banana peels. I'll see you in the suit.